Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a Traffic Domination Network review. This, I think, is going to be a top CPA network for 2019. Now, 2019 is almost over, but I'm going to explain to you what this network is all about and how it can make you money. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, this is the Traffic Domination Network review, or what I believe is going to be a top CPA network new for 2019. It just came out last week. Just in case you don't know what is a CPA offer, CPA stands for cost per acquisition, so you get paid when a customer takes a certain action, such as filling out a form, getting a quote, signing up for a trial, or making a purchase. And then a CPA network is just a website that houses all the CPA offers, and then they pay you when you convert on a CPA offer. So Traffic Domination Network is a high converting and high EPC on BizOp and internet marketing offers. So they don't do anything other than that. It's just BizOp and internet marketing offers. And I'll show you the offers here in just a minute. The creator is Wayne Crow, and I talked about him in this video, Solo Ad Success Formula, because he is a very successful internet marketer and he has very good solo ads. So I do have a link to his solo ads here, and I'll leave a link to this video in the description below the video so you guys can check out his solo ads. But he does offer a sales guarantee on some of his higher clicks here, and there are certain criteria for that. It's not just every offer has to be a high converting offer, but he's one of the few solo ad providers that do offer a sales guarantee, and buyers included. Well, a lot of them have buyers included, but not many of them have a sales guarantee. So you want to check him out as far as solo ads. But like I said, he's a very, very successful internet marketer. And so that's what made me, I was on his email list, so I took a look at it and signed up and got approved right away. Before we get to the payments, let's take a look at the actual CPA network here. These are the offers that they have so far. Now, since I signed up last week, he's added a lot of different offers in here. You can see they range anywhere from $260, and I guess the lowest would be $15. So if you want to get a preview of what the actual offer is, just click on preview, and this is what your traffic is going to be sent to. And then we're going to take a look at what does someone have to do in order for you to get paid. So on this particular offer, I know they have to purchase something. They have to purchase the actual program. Okay, so if we scroll down here, eBay webinar program, converts on purchase after viewing webinar. So you just send people to the webinar. If they purchase, you get $260. Now you probably are wondering, like, why would you just not want to send somebody right to the affiliate link? Well, some of these programs you have to be a part of in order to promote it. But when you do this, when you don't have to be a part of it, you just send them to the offer. And then if they convert on whatever it is as the criteria, then you get paid. Some of them, let me show you this one here. Marketing with George Wickens. So that one I know converts very, very well. You can see that they fill out this short form here, so that's a really good way to market, I think. But if we look at the actual offer here, you get paid $30. Offer converts on the $7 best converting funnel. So they only have to purchase $7 and you get paid $30. That's because they know their customer acquisition costs, so they know they can pay you that, because a lot of people will convert on some of the higher offers in the funnel. So that's in there. And like I said, they have added a lot since I joined. There's just a Google AdWord Masterclass. There's just a lot of great webinars in here that convert very well. PPC Best Google Ads Tool, Project Lifestyle Academy. So there's a couple of them that pay you quite well. This one's $250 that converts on this webinar, and $260 that convert on that webinar. So that is the Traffic Domination Network. If you want, okay, let's talk about payments here. You do get paid bi-monthly, so it's twice a month, and the payment methods are going to be check, direct deposit, PayPal, and wire. So that's good. If you don't have PayPal, you're going to be able to get this direct deposit into your bank account. So I think that's great. If you do want to get signed up, it's completely free to do that. You're going to click on the first link in the description below this video, and then to get your affiliate link, because you're going to get paid if you refer other people to this CPA network. So to get your affiliate link, you're going to log in and then go to report right here, and then you're going to go to referral report, and you'll get your affiliate link right there. And then you're going to earn 3% commission. This is what he just said in an email. He said you're going to get 3% commission on getting them signed up, plus 3% on every commission they make forever. So that's a pretty good deal right there. And it doesn't cost you anything to sign up. You're also going to, okay, as far as to set your payments, you're going to go to, where is it? Billing. You'll set up how you want to get paid. And you can see up here you have an affiliate manager. You can email them with any questions. So they're going to help you, obviously, to be able to make sales, because they're your manager, and that's their job, is to help you to make sales on your CPA offers. So I just wanted to let you guys know about this, because it is brand new. Again, it's called Traffic Domination Network. Hope you guys found some value in this review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. If you want to get started with Traffic Domination Network and be able to promote these CPA offers, like I said, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. With that being said, this is Karen signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.